respect to him. He lived a kind of very interesting simplicity, a lot of impact in simplicity. And I think we all have a lot to learn from him. That you can do a lot with humility, with service, with commitment. So we've really lost one of our great heroes, one of the great Magdalene.
How, how big a loss is it to the medical society?
It's a big, yes. Of course, he had retired, but he was a mentor. He was a mentor. You know, young people these days, when they qualify as a doctor, is on top of the world. And indeed, oftentimes they hold the life of the other people in their hands. Because you go entrusting them with your life, and what they do is going to determine whether you live or not. And but for him, he had that commitment and that love and mentoring other people. He worked for over 20 years since he retired. He retired from government so many years ago, but even up to now, he has been still serving. And everybody went to that facility in wanting to see Dr. Tunde. He was a mentor for many people, not just the doctors, but the nurses, but also the different community people serving in different purposes. So it is a big loss that we have lost a person whom you can refer to, and we was still mentoring young people to see that you have a big qualification, but it is not for you to carry around you, but to serve. He served anytime he was needed.
That's the message to the doctors and medical workers, especially who think that being in that position, you need to be paid by the patients. For those who work in government facilities,
I think it is not even just those who work in government hospitals. I think for me it is sheer wickedness to deny a person who needs care, especially life-saving care, because of money. I think money should come second. But if you have accepted a job to work in a government hospital and you have accepted this job to do your work, why would you ask a patient? Government pays you so that you can give that person treatment. But of course, these days, that is it's corruption, it's immoral, it's wickedness, really, for you to demand money from a patient. I experienced this. Many people call me, here, nobody is willing to help me. Many times I have, when I call and they realize I have called, then they will say, no, 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 for us we are just treating. I think they misunderstood, but I think we need to review the lives of people like Dr. Tunde. There are certain professions, once you have taken it, once you've taken that profession, you've committed yourself, and especially being a health worker, you actually have to take an oath that you put life above everything, including your own life. You can't say, I am tired when there's a mother there who needs to deliver. You have to take care of that person first before you can get your rest. So, my call is let us serve. Let us serve. Let us restore that serving spirit. And especially healthcare workers in government facilities. The government has enhanced even their salaries above all the others. So there shouldn't be those things now asking poor patients.
thank you.
This, this is a family of a great man. And the first thing greatness does is it creates for your legacy. This particular the children will be grown, maybe they have established their own names, but they have created, Dr. Tunde created a standard. He is one of those people who never die because wherever you go, oh, they have a great Dr. Tunde. The other, so he has set a standard and they can only go higher. I know it's a very difficult time, but as they recover from this shock and grief, it will be time to really think how to immortalize Dr. Tunde. The other people with his history, I think we need to put it in a book because books move very fast. We need to write it in a book so that we can, and the people who have lived with them, with him, the children, any siblings who are still around, we collect this information. For us as Magere, we have already decided we are going to designate him as one of our heroes. We have heroes who are honored, and also their names are usually put around our monument. We're going to honor him, and we will champion actually making sure that the character of Dr. Tunde is popularized among the young people. As an example, I want to encourage family. You have a great name, you have a great person. Even as you go through grief, just know that he served beyond you. And that should comfort you that there are so many people with very good feelings towards your father, towards the husband, towards the brother, towards the grandfather who has now rested. May the Lord comfort you and strengthen you.